Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking pin swipe and component swipe option in Allegro. This is the simple schematic to understand the pin swap and component swap settings. This is the microcontroller or any component which is having four inputs and two outputs. Initially, we are checking swiping the input pins and output pins. Let's do that. Here, first you have to go root, replace, swap, pin swap, component swap. First we are checking with pin swap. Pin swap. First go place, swap, pin and select pin here. Then click on the pin. There is no pin swapping option available in this component yet. Now, okay, now we are changing this setting. Go to the schematic, select the component and right click and part, edit part. Once it's open here, property window, go down and it's pin edit pin option is here. Click on it. Here grouping. You have to select grouping. We are doing input as a one group, output as a second group. Here one. All four inputs are group same group. One, one, one. It means you can swap pin and this pin number with this for anyone. This four pins. Example, if you want to change pin number 1 to pin number 4, you can do it. But if you want to pin number 1 and pin number 6, it's not possible because the group is different. Here we are putting pin 2. Yeah, this is power pin. There is no swipe option is here, so kept it empty. You have to select the group and then apply. Okay, now close, update current. Here now this component having the pin swap option, but it's not updated in layout. So select the layout and right click, update the layout. Here showing. Now click on the sync option. It's imported. Schematic pulled successfully. Okay, the changes are done here. Now we check which place swap pin. If you click this one, this three only three is changed. Two pin is not highlighted. It means something problem in schematic. Just go schematic and check it what happens. Exit editor. Here there is no number in pin number 2. That's why they not allowing. Select the add the pin group number and apply. Okay, update current. Now again update the layout. Now you check it, place swap pin here. You can change with anyone. Here these two connections are interchanged. Here like this you can change. See 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is connected to R1, 2 is connected to R2, 3 is connected to R3, 4 is connected to R4. I am changing pin number 1 and 2 like that in output also. Initially it's Pin number 6 is connected to C1. Pin number 7 is connected to C2. I am changing these two and done. After that, you have to update the schematic. Here there is no changes yet. So right click the layout file and update the schematic. See here, pin number 1 and 2 interchange, 6 and 7 interchange. This is the pin swapping settings. Now we are swapping the component. Here, same place, swap component. Select the component and select the component. These two are interchangeable. Just note that in pin swap schematic also, in the schematic also we need to update the schematic. But component swap only placement is getting swapped. There is no swap in schematic. Thank you guys. Bye bye.